In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font size, style, and color on Shopify. This is a straightforward process that can significantly impact the appearance and feel of your online store. Whether you're looking to make a bold statement with your text or simply aiming for a cleaner, more readable aesthetic, these customization options are essential tools for a Shopify store owner. Let's get started. Begin by navigating to your Shopify admin page. This is your store's main dashboard where you can manage everything from products to customer orders and, importantly for today, your store's design. Once you're in the admin dashboard, go ahead and click on the Online Store option. This link is your gateway to theme customization and is where we'll be doing the majority of our work today. It's located on the left-hand side of your admin panel, so keep an eye out for it as you're navigating. With the online store settings open, your next step is to click on Customize. This option is usually prominently displayed and allows you to dive into the details of your store's aesthetic. The Customize button is your friend here, as it opens up the theme editor where all the creative magic happens. Now that you're in the theme editor, look for the gear icon, which typically indicates settings. Click on it. This icon usually brings up a variety of customization options that control different aspects of your store's visual design. Once you've accessed the settings via the gear icon, start by selecting Colors. Adjusting your color scheme is a great way to ensure your font colors complement the rest of your store's design. Here you can play around with different shades and tones to find what resonates most with your branding. After you've finished adjusting the colors, let's move on to the typography section. Go ahead and click on Typography. Here you'll find all the settings related to your font style and size. Explore different font options to discover the one that best aligns with your store's identity. Remember, your choice of font style can say a lot about your brand, so take your time to find the right fit. Finally, you'll head over to the Layout section by clicking on it. This is where you can adjust the overall structure of your text and its placement on the page. Think about how the layout you choose impacts readability and visual flow. And that's all there is to it. Through these steps, you've learned how to personalize your Shopify store by customizing font size, style, and color. These small changes can make a big difference in crafting a polished, professional appearance for your store. Thanks for watching and happy customizing on Shopify.